Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use GoHighLevel to cold call prospects. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and opening your agency dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the prospecting section from the left-hand menu. Inside the prospecting area, click Add Prospect. This opens the search tool that allows you to find businesses based on industry and location. Enter the type of business you want to target, such as roofing companies, dental clinics, or other local businesses. Then specify a location and run the search. GoHighLevel will display a list of businesses that match your criteria. Depending on the listing, you may see details such as business contact information, online presence, and other insights that can help you evaluate potential opportunities. GoHighLevel even shows you if they have an active Google business profile or a WordPress setup. When you find a business you'd like to contact, click on Add and open its business profile. This gives you access to the key information you'll need when reaching out. To place calls directly from GoHighLevel, switch to a sub-account that has phone services configured and enabled. Once inside the sub-account, open the built-in dialer by clicking the phone icon. Enter the business phone number and place the call through the dialer. You can continue reviewing prospects from your search results and contact them individually using the information available in their business profiles. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use GoHighLevel to cold call prospects. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.